Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an oatmeal drink. First, measure out 1 cup of rolled oats and 4 cups of water. These are your primary ingredients for a basic, creamy oatmeal drink. Ensure you have a high-speed blender ready, as it's crucial for achieving a smooth consistency. Also, prepare a fine mesh strainer or nut milk bag for the next step. You might also consider a pinch of salt or a touch of maple syrup for flavor. Now, pour your measured oats and water into the blender. Secure the lid tightly and begin blending on a high setting. Aim for about 30 to 60 seconds of blending time. The goal is to break down the oats thoroughly, creating a milky liquid. Be careful not to overblend, as this can release too much starch and result in a slightly slimy texture, which we want to avoid for the best drink. Next, position your fine mesh strainer or nut milk bag over a large bowl or pitcher. Carefully pour the blended oat mixture through it. Allow the liquid to drain naturally, then gently press any remaining oat solids against the strainer. This step ensures you extract all the delicious liquid, leaving behind the pulp. You can discard the solids or use them in baking, reducing waste. Your homemade oatmeal drink is now ready. This is where you can get creative with flavors. Try adding a splash of vanilla extract, a dash of cinnamon, or even a spoonful of cocoa powder for a chocolate version. Sweeten it to your liking with maple syrup, honey, or a few pitted dates blended in. Serve it chilled and enjoy this versatile, dairy-free beverage. For other great deals and to check out that Oatmeal water bottle, please see the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.